All right, almost done with this build. I forgot about the ELRS. That's like another 15-20 bucks. So $55 to $65 Speedy B stack, $28 frame. When I bought these, I think I got all 4 Zingy motors for 43 bucks. And then I think this was like 15-20 bucks. And I'm using a DJI 04, but you can stick in whatever VTX and camera you want, really. This is like $150, $160 build with all up. And it's coming in at around 390 grams, which is lighter than this one, which is another Frankenstein monster. Those motors are from my old Mark V. And let's see, as you can see or not see, my soldering is horrible, but that never stopped my drones from flying. Look, see, that's just, you can't even see it. It's so garbage. But this tip, which is generally what I use for bigger ones, took a shit. It kept turning off while I was soldering, so gotta get another one of those.